Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Corey Fulham Automotive once again. Today I will be presenting you a 2007 Chevrolet Express Dutchmen motorhome. This is going to be a detailed and depth view of the Dutchmen motorhome. We'll start the engine, show it off, go through the performance details, and show you a bunch of the features on the interior as well as exterior. Before I begin, I'd like to extend a thanks and special shout out to Earlton RV Earlton Camping Center, located in Earlton, Ontario, for wanting me to come out and film the 2007 Chevrolet Express Dutchmen motorhome. So, without further ado, there's no time to waste. Let's go and start it up and let it run for a while. It's a color white. Interior. This was a Canadian motorhome, as you can see by the kilometers dominating. I think it has about, let's see, 116,000 kilometers. It's about 300 something thousand miles. And the seats are hydraulic. It's a 4-speed automatic transmission. Let's fire it up. Very nice. It's got a leather-wrapped steering wheel. Very smooth steering. So we're going to flip on the automatic projector headlamps, as well as the hazards. Automatic driver's side window. They're both fully automatic. And let's check out the exterior, shall we? Turn signals. Exhaust pipe. In the hood. There it is, folks. There's your engine. It's a 2006 model year. It's a 2007. Runs great. Here we are back inside the motorhome, and now let's see how it sounds. Very nice engine sound. AC controls. All function controls. Tape cassette, CD player, securing a good station. I need to look for it here. Almost about there.
Starts at 10:30. This event is open to all riders and spectators.
It also has Sirius radio, tape cassette. You can put your tape cassette in there and listen to
at noon.
CDs right there.
Mitch Gagne will be at the Pool Fitness Center Saturday from 10 till 5, along with Matt Burnett and other local fighters. Demonstrations will.
So also switch it to CJKL.
We'll hear from her after this.
Here.
Wallet. Employee pricing meets you.
Also has the tow haul mode, raises the shift points, better performance while towing. Now let's go ahead and shut her down. And we'll check out the rest of the motorhome. Here's your microwave. Stove. Different controls. Here's your shower. Here. Bed. Your bathroom. And different controls inside. Cables. Bunk bed. And we'll continue with that and show you that in a sec. As you can see, it's 6:50. We're on the wrong time. Well, too bad. Check out the fridge. function. Different controls. Wood fan. Check out your different controls. Water pump. Lights on. Stove. Water faucet. And put your utensils in there. Storage. And you can also check this out here. Well, this one right here. We're just gonna have to continue the video with the functions. It also has power locks. Continue with that. Power windows. Automatic down. We'll check out something else. Check out, there's your cruise control, turn signals. Windshield wiper controls. And radio function controls. Check out the odometer here. It's got 108,000 kilometers. It's trip A, same. 116,277. That's cool. Radio inside. Change it. All your different controls. CD player, tape cassette. Change it to a different time. Too bad. We'll go ahead and shut her down. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the in-depth tour engine startup of the 2007 Dutchmen Chevrolet Express Motorhome. So stay tuned guys, we'll be making more videos soon. Here's a lot more that come from. Take care everybody. Don't forget to subscribe to SubKyle04 because he makes good videos of good vehicles. Don't forget to subscribe to me on Corey Fulham Automotive. Visit my website on YouTube or don't forget, visit me on my Facebook if you want. So here's a lot more that come from. Take care everybody.